That is a verse of Surah Al-Imran. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said to the believers, and hold firmly to the rope of Allah all together, and do not become divided. And remember the favor of Allah upon you when you were enemies, and He brought your hearts together, and you became by His favor brothers. And you were on the edge of a pit of the fire, and He saved you from it. Thus does Allah make clear to you His signs, His verses, that you may be guided. So there's a very beautiful verse. It talks about the unity, that all the Muslims should be united together. Today the Muslims are scattered. There is no leadership among the Muslims. There are more than 50 Muslim countries, but they are all divided with different rulers and different leaders. But the conception of unity in Islam is all the Muslims together as one whole community, or one brotherhood among all the believers who worship in only one God. The example, like the United States of America, that is the idea of the Islam, that how all the Muslims in the world united as one. Or the idea of the European Union is also the idea of the Islam, that how the European Union's country, the 90 countries, they united as one. So that's the concept of Islam, that all the Muslim countries in the world, they should be united as one and not to be divided. And also, dividing is also, people will misguided and they will be going in the hellfire. Allah does not want that the people will be make disputes among each other and fight each other and make troubles, rather than to be united as whole community. And Allah says, وَلْتَكُنْ مِنْكُمْ أُمَّةٌ يَدْعُونَ إِلَى الْخَيْرِ وَيَأْمُرُونَ بِالْمَعْرُوفِ وَيَنْهَوْنَ عَنِ الْمُنْكَرِ وَأُولَٰئِكَ هُمُ الْمُفْلِحُونَ. And let there be from you a nation inviting, that there be people among you inviting to the khair, to the right, to the goodness, وَيَأْمُرُونَ بِالْمَعْرُوفِ, who are commanding for the good, and وَيَنْهَوْنَ عَنِ الْمُنْكَرِ, and stop people from the evil. وَأُولَٰئِكَ هُمُ الْمُفْلِحُونَ. And they will be the successful. So that's also the concept of law enforcement in Islam, that there should be a group among you who will let people to do good, not to make wrong to the people, rather do right all the times. That's the concept in Islam. There should be a group of the people who enjoin on people to do good and not to allow people to do evil. That's the concept of the police also in the Muslim world for 1,400 years ago, like Khalif Omar. He put the police who enjoin people to do good and forbid people to do evil. And this, generally, it is the duty of every Muslim or every believer to tell people to do good, to help people, or to give charity to each other, those who are in need, the charity, or those who are in need help, so we should help them, etc. And also to forbid people to do evil. Like you have a friend who want to drink alcohol, then you advise him not to drink alcohol, not to play gambling, not to lie, not to hurt people. So that's the concept of making reforms among the Muslims, that you let other people to do good and you let people not to do evil also. وَلَا تَكُونُوا كَالَّذِينَ تَفَرَّقُوا وَاخْتَلَفُوا مِنْ بَعْدِ مَا جَاءَهُمُ الْبَيِّنَاتُ وَأُولَٰئِكَ لَهُمْ عَذَابٌ عَظِيمٌ. And do not be like those, the one who became divided and differed about the clear proofs had come to them, and those will have a great punishment. يَوْمَ تَبْيَضُّ وُجُوهُهُمْ وَتَسْوَدُّ وُجُوهُهُمْ فَأَمَّا الَّذِينَ اسْوَدَّتْ وُجُوهُهُمْ أَكَفَرْتُمْ بَعْدَ إِيمَانِكُمْ فَذُوقُوا الْعَذَابَ بِمَا كُنتُمْ تَكْفُرُونَ وَأَمَّا الَّذِينَ ابْيَضَّتْ وُجُوهُهُمْ فَفِي رَحْمَةِ اللَّهِ هُمْ فِيهَا خَالِدُونَ. تلك آيات الله نتلو عليك بالحق وما الله يريد ظلما للعالمين ولله ما في السماوات وما في الأرض وإلى الله ترجع الأمور. So these are the 4 verses. Inshallah, then we finish. And do not like those the one who become divided and differed after the clear proofs that come to them, and those will have a great punishment. On the day of the judgment, the faces will turn white and the faces will turn dark. As for those whose faces turn dark, to them it will be said, did you disbelieve after you believe? Then test the punishment of what you used to reject. But as for those whose faces will be white, lightning within the mercy of Allah, they will abide there in paradise eternally. These are the verses of Allah. We recite them to you in truth, and Allah wants no injustice to the words. To Allah belongs whatever is in the heavens and whatever is on the earth, and Allah will matters, and all the matters will be returned to Allah. So we all will be returning to Allah. If we do wrong, we will pay for it, and if we do right, then Allah will reward for this. The question here, bakit bawal ang alak sa Muslim? Because it's evil. Allah said in the Quran, يا أيها الذين آمنوا إنما الخمر والميسر والأزلام والأنصاب رجس من عمل الشيطان فاجتنبوه لعلكم تفلحون. Allah considered it is dirty and it's evil because it causes troubles. People fight. Man can rape even to his sister while he's drunk. So the drinking is bad habit, is evil. The miracle in the mention in the Bible about the drink alcohol, it is not alcohol. It is just a grape juice. It is a misinterpretation. Many Bible scholars they even consider that wine was not wine. The miracle, it was a grape juice only. Because the Prophet Jesus never recommend people to drink alcohol. Even it's said in the Bible also, the alcohol is evil. And it is no recommendation of drinking alcohol. Even in Bible, in the Quran, it is totally prohibited. So alcohol is cause of accidents, murders, rapes, or whatever evil things happen in the world today. The number one cause of those all evil is alcohol. So may Allah save us from his anger, and may Allah be happy with us, enter us in Jannatul Firdaus in paradise in next life. Ameen.